Hello, it is Isaac from Wood Designer. I have been forwarded this cabinet and asked specific questions about the drawer runners. I've been told that the pre-drilled holes here for the drawer runners or the slides are too low by about 14 millimeters and they need to be raised by that distance. Now, to best understand how to approach this, we need to understand how the drawer slides or runners have been applied to this cabinet. So I'm going to click on my drawer front and look at its link with the left-hand side where the runners will be. And I can see that we have both our fitting and our rule, so our positioning rule for that. And if I firstly look at the fitting, it is a Ney Q-box drawer. And I can see that the runner is set at a height of 44 millimeters, and these are the distance from the front of the drawer for the drillings. Now, 44 millimeters is my height, but let's look also at the rule of application. So if I come into my rule that it's using a single rule, zone inside, offset by 0 millimeters. So essentially what that means is, let's zoom into this and look at the inner zone that this drawer is in. So this is the zone the drawer is in. My runners need to be up 44 millimeters, and it's being positioned 0 millimeters from the bottom of the zone. So the positioning rule puts the fitting here in this bottom corner, 0 millimeters from the bottom, and then offsets the rule or offsets the fitting by the fitting value, which was 44 millimeters up. So it's coming 44 millimeters up from this bottom corner. So the easiest solution is for me to adjust the rule. Since this needs to be 44 plus 14, I could just move my rule up by 14 millimeters. And then once the starting position is 14 millimeters above the bottom of the zone, I will then get my 44 millimeters up for my runner. So to fix that, let's come back into this view and just adjust my rule. Also, if this is going to upset any other cabinets or projects, I could just duplicate the rule and make a new one and just have a custom one just for this cabinet. But I'm just going to offset this by 14 millimeters. Now the starting position for my runners will be this overall zone, the bottom corner, come up 14 millimeters, and then do my 44 millimeters of height for the fitting. And you will see that that's going to be in a much better position. That is definitely higher than it was before. If I was to press undo, you'll see the difference. There it was before, and here it is 14 millimeters higher. I hope that's been clear and helpful, and thank you for watching.